All right. Yesterday, I got from Amazon a Duracell 700 dual flashlight kit. Here's one of the 2 flashlights that come with it, and it contains 6 batteries, 3 for each flashlight. I also purchased a recharger that comes with 16 AAA batteries. And the reason I got that is because you can buy on Amazon this kit made by a company. It's called DSLRKIT for AAA, and it does not fit. And the reason it doesn't fit, I'll go into. Now, here is said flashlight, and it takes 3 standard, regular old C batteries. And 1, 2, 3. They slide in, they slide out, they fit, no problem. This is on Amazon, and it's sold for $12.90 at this date, February the 9th, 2018, for $12.90. And as you can see, this one has 4 AAA batteries that I just bought and I just charged. And I'm going to take the positive end and I'm going to put it down, and it's not going to go. Now, there's a good reason for that. This is a $175 Mitutoyo Japanese-made digital caliper. And this is not the $15 one that you buy at Harbor Freight. These are very good, they're very accurate, very high quality control, and it's going to measure to the nearest 1/2 of 1/1000th of 1 inch, and it is now set for measuring in inches, and it's zeroed. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to measure that battery, which is 999 thousandths. And this battery is 998.5 thousandths. And this battery is 997 thousandths. That is the diameter of the C battery. Now we're going to look at this thing that comes from China, no doubt, and I'm going to measure across the top. And what am I going to get? Oh, it's more than 1 inch. What do you know? Right here at the top, it's 1 inch 7 thousandths. Down at the bottom, and I'm measuring across the red part, I'm not measuring across the batteries, it is 1 inch and 17 thousandths. Now, 17 thousandths of 1 inch is that much, and you may not be able to see it. It's like your fingernail, but that is the difference it takes to stop this from being suitable for the purpose for which it is intended. In other words, if you bought this garbage from Amazon, you pick up the phone and you tell them it doesn't fit, and you demand your money back. I have been complaining to Amazon now for 1.5 years. They do not care about the quality of the products they sell. And it is often more trouble to get your lousy $12.90 back than it's worth. Amazon, stop selling garbage like this. Take responsibility for your vendors and stop telling us that's not your product. Sold on your site, it's your product. End of story. Thank you for listening. We done.